Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Zerion wallet application for your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Next, launch Open App Store. Go to the search box and type in Zerion wallet and search. Once you find this application from Zerion LLC, tap on the Get button to begin the download. Now wait for the application to be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Zerion is a popular decentralized finance platform that provides a non-custodial wallet and interface for managing various DeFi assets and protocols on Ethereum blockchain. It is known to be the best wallet for Web3 citizens. You can store all of your collectibles in one place with the help of the application as well. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can tap the Open button to open the app. It offers a user-friendly and comprehensive dashboard that allows users to monitor their portfolio, view transaction histories, and interact with DeFi protocols. So that is how you can easily download the Zerion wallet application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.